I really like them. I think the shot clock's going to be really good for us. It's going to create a lot of different, better scoring opportunities. I think it's going to also be a challenge defensively as well for you. But I like the direction that we're heading with pace of play. I think your staff has a big part of that. I think staff, being in tune with what's going on throughout the course of the game and being able to manage the game the right way will be very important. And again, I don't have a problem with losing that timeout. I think it's going to have to be a lot smarter on when you choose to use some of the others. Well, I think we want to play fast. Obviously it will require us to flow a lot quicker, whether it be in secondary action or what have you, and things in terms of trying to score. But we want early offense is what we want. So from that point, you're going to have a really good flow offense. And I think our personnel, fits the way we want to play, and or it fits our personnel the way we want to play. And I also believe from a defensive standpoint as well.
Well, anytime there's changes, you try to figure out what they're trying to achieve. In the four quarters, they felt like the flow would be a little bit better. And maybe the stop and go, maybe a little more energy towards the end of the game, because you'll stop and go a lot more. I think, you throw in four quarters, you're going to have a lot more last-second plays. You're going to have to be, with the advancing the ball, you're going to have to be ready with some pretty good side out of bounds plays, which can go either way. Initially, I felt like it would take away the open court last-second play, which we won on at Wyoming. And it may stifle a little bit in the half court, but anytime rules are passed, it's hard to judge early.